As I'm driving around, I'm hearing this click, 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 and it's a really loud clicking sound. And I get out, pull back in the garage, and I notice, ha! This is the greatest thing ever. It's called a pocket plug pack. The question is, if you run over it, look at this. Look at this. Take a couple of these. They're gooey. They're sticky. Gonna cement up the hole. Gonna cement up this. And we're gonna stick it in. Try and pull it out. Big. Needs a second one. When you push it in. Okay, got that one in. Now you pull it out quick. We take this and we try and cut off the excess. Good enough for now. Let's take a drive.